We're Mike and Lance, and for the past 5 years, we've been transforming our New England home into an urban homestead. Come along with us as we further our journey and try to live a more sustainable and healthy lifestyle. So sit back, enjoy the ride, and maybe learn a thing or two. Come on. So I picked up these two matching dressers today at a secondhand store. They're in some pretty rough shape. And inside they are covered with there's dirt inside. They're pretty gross. A couple of the drawers are full of mouse droppings. Yeah, they're all stained up on the sides. There's quite a bit of damage to the tops. You can see, yeah, they've seen better days. So I'm going to see what I can do with them and do a quick little flip on these. Maybe sell them as a pair. I don't know. We'll see how they turn out. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with them yet. Usually my ideas just kind of come to me as I'm working on my project. So I don't know. Stay tuned and we'll see what happens. Okay, just to give a quick recap, this is what my dressers looked like before I do anything to them. Sorry about the lighting. Lance is doing some electrical work and had to turn the power off. So this is dresser number 1. Kind of really beat up. Still pretty gross. Pretty gross looking. So that's the before dresser. And here is after. So I have gotten one done so far. I think it turned out pretty well. Please excuse my ridiculously loud washing machine in the background. But I restained all of the insides of the drawers. Put some brand new hardware on. They all look nice and clean now. And then the wood is just protected with Johnson wax. This lovely stuff here, which I'm in love with. It puts a great finish on the wood, and the more you polish it, the more it's going to get protected. So let me finish the other one up and see what I can do with them.